Welcome. If you want to make the most of LinkedIn's location-based features, like finding jobs nearby or letting recruiters know where you're located, you'll need to allow location access for the LinkedIn app on your phone. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable location access so you can get the best out of your LinkedIn experience. First, grab your phone and open up the Settings app. This is where you can control all the permissions for the apps installed on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Apps, or sometimes it's labeled App Management, depending on your device. Next, in the Apps list, look for LinkedIn. You might need to scroll a bit if you have a lot of apps, but once you spot LinkedIn, tap on it to open its settings. Inside the LinkedIn app settings, you'll see an option called Permissions. Tap on Permissions to view all the features LinkedIn can access, like your camera, contacts, and of course location. Now find Location in the list of permissions. Tap on Location and you'll see different options for allowing access. Choose the option that allows LinkedIn to access your location. Depending on your phone, you might see choices like Allow only while using the app or Allow all the time. Pick the one that fits your privacy preference, but remember, enabling location access will help LinkedIn show you relevant jobs, networking opportunities, and content based on where you are. That's it. You've now given LinkedIn permission to access your location. You can always come back to these settings and make changes if you need to. Allowing location access is a quick way to make your LinkedIn experience more personalized and useful. Whether you're job hunting, networking, or just exploring new opportunities, having your location enabled helps LinkedIn connect you with what matters most nearby. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tech tips.